Hi, Denise here from Project Frugal. This morning I'm just off to our ladies group that my friend and I run every Friday morning at 10 o'clock called Wainuiomata Women. Today Gaylene is going to be demonstrating how to make a pancake mix that you can keep in your cupboard that just needs to have water added, and there you have it, pancakes, yum. So I'll see you soon and we will see what she has to show us.
Now, I don't know if you know this, but Denise and I follow quite a few YouTubers. It's a good way to learn from other people that are doing the work that you aim to do or want or desire to do. So one of the channels that I came across is called Kneady Homesteader. Kneady as in kneading bread, K-N-E-A-D-E-R. And the reason why I like her, she's very personable, and she has recipes that are really interesting, commonplace. She does canning, preserving, bread making. She makes her own brown sugar. She does lots of stuff. There's like hundreds of recipes. And the reason why I thought I'd bring it to your attention rather than keep it to myself is a very sad story, and that Heather is her name. Heather and her husband Matthew, they've got 2 children that are quite young. Oh, plus a few older ones as well. I think it's a diverse family like a lot of us are used to these days. Anyway, they thought they'd take the 2 younger kids out for Valentine's, and on the way home, a drunk driver smashed into their vehicle and Matthew was killed instantly. Heather, they didn't think she was going to make it. She had head injury, multiple other injuries. She's got 2 broken legs with shattered toes and 1 full plates. The whole leg was a right. She's got full plates on it. And both her arms. So she's now, months later, trying to learn to walk again by holding one of those walking frames where you put your arm into it and only using 1 leg. And it's not impossible, you can go home on that. So that was her aim, and I think actually I haven't caught up with her, but I believe she should be home by now. And when you're on YouTube and you're a YouTuber, you get to make heaps and heaps of friends. So one of the people that she's met over these years has actually now offered to come and stay with her, help manage her farm, her children, because the children are homeschooled too, collectively just to be there for her for as long as she needs it, which is a miracle in itself. Who has that time in their life to dedicate that much time to someone? So that's amazing. The kids ended up with broken bones as well. And unfortunately it was during some COVID period in America, and so she couldn't even see the children. They just had to come to her window and away. Really devastating stuff. So they've done a GoFundMe, and at the moment, when I looked at it last, it was well over 500,000. Hello, this is Janine, my sister.
Oh, hi.
Is there a spare seat there? Oh, lovely. And yeah, it's just a really sad story. And I don't know if many of you actually go onto YouTube, but if you want to go in and have a look at some of her recipes, the trick to supporting this woman from New Zealand, apart from prayers and thoughts and well wishes, is when you watch any of her YouTube clips, if you watch the ads too, then it's a monetized channel. Money from the ads then goes to the family. So just doing that from little old New Zealand, thinking of Heather and her family, we can support them just by even doing as little as that, and it all adds up. So we do really wish her well. It's an awful situation. She's very blessed to have that person come and help. And so this is her recipe that she's perfected over time. Right, ladies, I've done 6 cups of flour. I'm doing half a tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar. Everyone's so drinking. It's nice to hear. It does take milk powder, and gone are the years when milk powder used to be cheaper than milk. So You only need 2 cups. That makes the 12-cup recipe, which is huge. I'm doing half, which is only 1 cup. And we're doing 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2.5 teaspoons of tablespoons of baking powder.
Whoa, look at that. That's perfect.
Whoa, look at that, man. Wow, oh.
Oh, yeah. All the mix is in there, and the trick is to whisk it and just keep whisking. You need to whisk it because you have to guarantee everything's mixed. Otherwise, if you get your 1 cup out for your 1 cup of water and it's got all the baking soda, it'll be disgusting.
I'm sure they taste that anyway, it doesn't matter how big they are.
Hi Heather and family. Hi from New Zealand. We have certainly been inspired by you and your wonderful recipes online. And we just want to say hello from New Zealand and kia kaha.